Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create a clickable slider in Figma. Let's see how it works. First, if I click on this, you can see the slides are moving and the yellow color dot is also changing accordingly. Now you can see the indicating dot has changed to the third one. Now again, if I click here, you can see the change. Again, if I click, we'll move to the first one. So now let's start creating this prototype. Here I have already taken the images. First, for the uh, differentiation only, we'll select one small circle and write here one, so that we can distinguish the images. Control G. Here we'll put here like this. Again we'll copy here. Again, now we'll change this to 2, here as 3. Now I'll copy this slides and keep this here. Now we'll change the numbers of the slide. This one is 4, 5. This is the 6. Here we'll change the fill color. Mm, mm, Again we'll copy this and change the numbers. 8, 9. Here the indicating part will change. Now select all this. Sorry, one thing we did wrong was we'll delete this here. Again this. Shift this here, and after this select all. Sorry, select this and take them into the group, and after making into the group, take a frame selection and click this and here select a clip content. After clipping, paste this arrows here like this. Take this both the arrows in a line. Hmm. Again here select all this and make a frame selection. Select this dot and select the slides and take them into the frame. Now we'll copy this frame here and then select this frame and make it as a component, and after creating the component add a will add variant and here in the first part will not need this arrow, so we'll close the eye of this arrow, and in the second variant we'll change this color, and first one make it a default and then select the frame here inside, go to the group and move the frames. We need to have this fourth frame as our first one. Here this is our frame. For this frame group we can also add a stroke, but here I think the stroke is not visible, so let's remove this. You can see I have taken the same images as the first one. That is the reason why it is not happening properly. Here the fourth frame has come. Now we'll select this as the third one and again we'll select this group. Where is this frame? Variant 3, and we'll go to the group and move the slides. Here the first image would be our 7th one and last one is our 9th one. Here in the second variant what is happening is it's not proper, so I'm setting this slide properly. Okay, and for this one we'll move this arrow, make this eye close because this one is the last slide, and here we'll change the color of this dots Okay, now for the second one, here. Now we'll select the first variant and then take this variant, this desktop, and we'll run and see whether it is working properly or not. Let's check. Array, sorry, we have not added the prototype part. So how it will work now? Let's do the prototype. Here we'll select this arrow. If I click here, it will move. Here it will be instant, and again if I click here, this goes to like this. And for the backward arrows, we'll select this, and here also we'll go here. Select the first variant and then run this. We'll see now it is working properly or not. Yes, actually we have to do the select the animation as a smart animate. Actually we have select the instant, that's why it is not moving as we want it. Here also we are going to do the same things. He's out. Here also select the smart animate and is out. Now we'll see again how this prototype is behaving now. See, now the animation is working properly. You can see how it is moving. Now I hope you have got everything in this video. If you have any doubt, just ask me in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.